Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing fine and finally बहुत time के बाद we are doing a cooking video. अभी बहुत time से I have been trying out healthy recipes क्योंकि I am on a weight loss journey and बहुत time से I have been eating different salads for dinner. So there is this influencer called चितवन गर्ग. उन्हीं की salad recipes मैं अपने dinner के लिए follow कर रही थी and आज मैंने सोचा कि उनके YouTube channel पे जाके उनकी जो 5 मोस्ट पॉपुलर एंड वायरल रेसिपीज हैं वो मैं ट्राई आउट करूं एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोना डू इन टुडेज वीडियो. So this first recipe is a very quick and easy salad. आपको literally सिर्फ 5 मिनट लगेंगे इस रेसिपी को बनाने में.
We just take a cucumber, peel it like this, one carrot, peel it like this, and then using the same peeler, we'll slice it in this manner. So the veggies actually turn into flat noodles. For the dressing, it's curd, salt, black pepper, chili flakes, garlic, olive oil, and just lemon.
Okay, so let's start. तो सबसे पहले I'll be peeling off this cucumber and this carrot. And अभी मैं इनको peel कर लूँगी. आज मैंने लंच भी नहीं किया है. I've decided to eat like these salads for lunch also क्योंकि lunch time पे my kitchen has better sunlight. तो शूट करने को भी easy रहता. And also yesterday I've had so much junk that I decided to have salad for lunch because I'm feeling a lot bloated today. I personally never enjoyed salads before. बट ये जो इंस्टाग्राम और यूट्यूब पे वायरल रेसिपीज आती रहती है ना, इनको मैं बहुत टाइम से फॉलो कर करके सैलेड्स बना रही थी एंड कुछ सैलेड्स तो इतने ज्यादा यम बनते हैं ना. अभी मैं ये क्यूकम्बर को पील कर रही हूँ एंड आई एम वेरी स्कैर्ड टू पील इट बिकॉज अभी ये बहुत फ्लिम्जी हो गया है एंड आई डोंट वांट टू पील ऑफ माय फिंगर. एंड ये जो अंदर का ये वाला पार्ट है I'll just eat it off. And now I'm peeling the carrot. ये peeler वाला ट्रिक काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है. Like you get a peeler जिससे कि आप नूडल शेप में ही कट कर सकते हो वेजीज. I have that peeler with me. तो कुछ इस तरीके का दिखता है एंड इससे आप एकदम पतले पतले नूडल्स बना सकते हो with your vegetables. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go with this much quantity क्योंकि इससे ज्यादा फिर वेस्ट हो जाएगा. तो अभी हम लोग इसकी ड्रेसिंग प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं. ड्रेसिंग काफी इजी है. तो सबसे पहले आई नीड 1 कप कर्ड. मैं बस ऐसे आई बॉल कर रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट मेजरिंग इट विद माई कप्स. टू दिस वील एड सॉल्ट टू टेस्ट, a little bit of black pepper, olive oil. This is the one that I'm using. You can use whichever one you have. And I'm just adding a dash of it. And then we need lemon juice. Now I had the bigger lemon जो हम उत्तराखंड से लेके आए थे एंड मैंने थोड़ा आई बॉल करके ही लेमन जूस ले लिया है बिकॉज इट आस्क्स फॉर जूस फ्रॉम 1 लेमन. Now I have eyeballed it, but for some reason I feel कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा खट्टा होने वाला है. And to this we have to add 2 cloves of garlic, जिसको कि मैं एकदम finely chop कर लूँगी. Now I really like garlic का flavor, but I don't like to bite into raw garlic pieces. But the recipe demanded for it. I'll add it just as it is. तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिंपल सी ड्रेसिंग है. आप आई थिंक किसी भी वेजीज के साथ इसको पेयर अप कर सकते हो. नाउ आई एम गोना ऐड द ड्रेसिंग द सैलेड एंड मेरा सैलेड कम और ड्रेसिंग ज़्यादा हो गई है. But we are just gonna roll with what we have. And done. This is what my salad looks like. अभी इसको मैं फोक के साथ ही enjoy करूँगी so that I have the noodles वाला vibe, flat noodles. It smells like curd, nothing else to be honest. But let me try. I will take a bite with everything. I think if you are making this recipe, आपको garlic को मिन्स करके या फिर पेस्ट बना के डालना चाहिए बिकॉज गार्लिक का मुझे फ्लेवर नहीं आ रहा है बिकॉज वो होल गार्लिक्स हैं एंड जब तक आप गार्लिक में बाइट नहीं करोगे आपको फ्लेवर नहीं आएगा. Other than that, this salad feels very fresh and honestly, this is exactly what I needed right now for my tummy because it is literally a word in there and ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा fresh taste कर रहा है and बहुत ही ज़्यादा light है. So if you want to have something very light and fresh, you can go for this. But सर्दियों में I think इसको मैं रात में skip करूँगी because I don't have curd at night सर्दियों में वरना मेरे को जुकाम पकड़ जाता है. But lunch के लिए तो this one is a perfect option. So yeah, I think you should give it a try and इसमें आप अपने पसंद की कोई भी veggies डाल सकते हो. This dressing is really easy to make and very tasty. So you can give it a try. It is a thumbs up from my side. With a whopping 2.3 million views, here is the next salad recipe.
I first chopped a lot of fresh lettuce and then quickly prepping for Loki kebabs. Yes, you heard me right. Loki, that that is ghia. I hate this vegetable, but these kebabs, they are so tasty. You can't taste it at all. So slicing these freshly prepared lauki kebabs and placing them on the lid. Sneaking in more vegetables into the dressing, which is again very simple and is ready in less than 15 minutes.
Now this one looks really tasty, but I mean लौकी kebabs ठीक है, लौकी के कोफ्ते ना सही तो healthy लौकी के kebab का salad बना लेते हैं. So इस recipe के लिए I am not going to start with the base, rather I will start with the dressing first. And also इस salad के लिए मैं portion बहुत ही कम रखने वाली हूँ, because I'm literally full right now and all of my family members are also full. So ये मेरे को ही बस खाना रहेगा. So I'm making this for dinner and I usually keep my dinner light only. So I'll just make a small portion of this salad, and here's hoping I end the day with some good food. So let's go. Now this one is a little bit of an hassle. इसमें मुझे पहले अपनी जो ड्रेसिंग के इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं उनको ऑयल में हल्का सा शैलो फ्राई करना है एंड कुक करना है, स्टीम करना है until my tomato skin is peeled off. So सबसे पहले मैंने यहाँ पे रेड बेल पेपर ले लिया है. Now the recipe called for 1 red bell pepper, but मैं रेसिपी को exactly half portion में कर रही हूँ. And I'm putting in 1.5 tomato, 3 cloves of garlic, little bit of salt. Now I'm just gonna cook it for a while. इस रेसिपी में ना as such directions नहीं दे रखे थे, only ingredients उन्होंने mention किए हैं. So I just eyeballed and I figured out कि उन्होंने क्या किया है and I'm following that. Now that it is sauteing, I will add some water on a medium flame and I will cover it to steam for a while ताकि मेरे टोमेटो की जो स्किन है वो पील ऑफ हो जाए. नाउ मैंने इसको हाई फ्लेम पे सौते किया था, तो हाई फ्लेम में सौते करते करते ही टोमेटो की स्किन पील होने लग गई थी. बट देन शी शोड इन द रेसिपी दैट यू हैव टू स्टीम इट फॉर अ वाइल. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना डू दैट. आई एम गोना फॉलो हर टू द टी सो दैट देयर आर नो scope for error. So while it is cooking, I'm trying to peel off whichever tomato I'm able to. It feels like a video game in here. It's me against the tomatoes. Okay, so after they are cooked, removing the tomato skin is not that difficult. It's just that everything is very hot in here. So I have to be a little careful so that I don't end up burning myself, which I often do whenever I'm in the kitchen. Okay, we are all done. Now to blend in the dressing, you have to take 25 grams of paneer. Recipe में 50 था, but again I halved it. Now I'm adding the cooked tomato and the bell pepper. It is hot, so I will wait for few minutes so that ये ठंडा हो जाए. Otherwise, I don't know what happens, but मम्मी ने मना कर रखा है कि गरम चीज़ों को मिक्सी में नहीं चलाना है. So I'll just wait for this to cool down. And I don't think इसके अलावा कुछ है dressing में. It is paneer, water, salt, garlic, tomato and bell pepper. So yeah, the dressing is ready. इसको मैं side पे रख देती हूँ. So for the base, I have chopped up some iceberg lettuce, and this is the first time that I am using iceberg lettuce क्योंकि मेरे इधर किसी भी grocery store में मिलता नहीं है अभी, क्योंकि lettuce और cabbage दोनों ही खत्म हो गया था, तो मैं Blinkit से order कर रही थी. And then I saw iceberg lettuce and I got that. Now I am grating the lauki. I'm not very sure if I should use the entire thing or I should use half of it, but I'm just gonna grate half and then see what the quantity looks like. Also, I'm very scared to use these graters. Tell me if you are also one like me, because a couple of times मैंने ये सब्जी ग्रेट करते करते साथ में अपनी स्किन भी ग्रेट कर दिया है, and it pains so bad and for so long, बहुत दिनों तक ही वो दर्द होता रह जाता है. So I'm gonna grate the entire lauki क्योंकि वो काफी कम लग रहा है मुझे क्वांटिटी. I'm gonna make at least 2 to 3 kebabs. And अभी इसमें से पानी भी मुझे निकालना है, so anyways क्वांटिटी बहुत कम हो जाएगी. I'm going to squeeze the excess water. Okay, and I'm transferring it to another bowl. To this grated लौकी का mixture मुझे डालना है 2 tablespoons of besan, salt, red chili powder, turmeric and coriander powder. Now I'm gonna mix it. I'm using my hands only because उससे अच्छे से mix हो जाएगा. Otherwise there will be more besan somewhere and more लौकी somewhere. So अभी मैं इसको अच्छे से mix करके एक डो बना लूँगी. I'll try to knead it as tight as possible so that again my kebabs are not soggy and they are somewhat crispy. Now I'm just gonna make some patties out of this mixture. I'm trying to keep them as thin as possible. थोड़ा अच्छे से कुक हो जाता है सेंटर तक, एंड ऑल्सो they will be a little crispy. So I'm just gonna place them on the pan. अभी मुझे इन्हें crush ही करना है, so I'm not a lot worried about the shape. I'm just pressing them in whatever shape possible. Okay, so we made about 3.5 patty. ये जो last वाली है, it is smaller than the others. So 3.5. Okay, this pan situation does not look aesthetic at all, but I'm so tired today. My back is hurting and how. So I just want to get done with this and trying not to burn myself meanwhile. So I'm just gonna cook these kebabs on both the sides. Okay, अभी ये ठंडा हो गया है. मैं ड्रेसिंग ग्राइंड कर लेती हूँ. ये kebabs पक रहे हैं तब तक, and then we will assemble the salad. In goes the iceberg lettuce, and to that I'm adding my kebabs, and to this I'm going to add my dressing. It looks yummy. It looks like a tandoori mayo, and mix it well. इसमें और कोई भी वेजीज उन्होंने ऐड नहीं करी थी. She just took lettuce and these kebabs, and that's it. So I'm just gonna do the same. Otherwise I would have gone ahead and added some more vegetables to this one also. This is what it looks like. It smells delicious. Let me have the first bite. Cheers. This one is so yum. This tastes exactly like Lauki ka kofta, just not as oily and as crispy. And the dressing is also so yum. I wish I had added more onion and a little bit of tomato. तो ये मुझे और अच्छा लगता, but then it tastes nice like this also. And thankfully I have enough portions to share it with my family also. But yeah, this one is yum. I'm definitely gonna give this one also a thumbs up. You have to check this one out. With crazy 1.9 million views, we have our third salad recipe, which has a very, very unique dressing.
In a pan, take some oil, add some spices mentioned in the caption, some boiled soya chunks. Roast them nicely until they're crispy and then add some salt. For the base, I'm taking some grated carrot, chopped onions, tomato, cucumber, and then adding the roasted soya chunks. For the dressing, take some makhani and cashew, add boiling water, let it stay for 5 minutes, and then blend them with some salt and pepper.
It is again very simple to make and काफी ज़्यादा easy ingredients इसमें use हुए हैं. So मैं अपना थोड़ा बहुत prep कर चुकी हूँ. I have soaked the soya chunks and the makhanas and the cashews. Now I'm prepping my veggies. सबसे पहले मैं carrot को grate कर रही हूँ. मैंने अपनी veggies peel करके रखी हुई हैं. I am grating the carrot and I will chop my veggies, which is the cucumber, onion and the tomato. Okay, now that I've chopped all the veggies, I'm going to prepare my soya chunks. So I'll start by taking some oil in the pan. I've taken some oil and उसमें मैं थोड़े से spices डालूंगी once the oil heats up. The spices that she added were the basic salt, turmeric, chili powder and coriander powder. तो वही सब मैं डालूंगी. My spices are roasted. I don't want to burn them, तो अभी मैं इनमें soya chunks डाल दूंगी. I drained it of water. And now I will just keep it on low flame ताकि ये अच्छे से toasty and थोड़े से crunchy हो जाए. I'll prepare the base and the dressing. So base के लिए तो बहुत ही simple है. You need some grated carrots, some onion, then tomato and cucumber, जिनको मैंने बहुत evenly chop करने की कोशिश करी है. I'm not sure how much I passed at it. Now for the dressing, I will take the soaked makhanas and the cashew. I'm being very messy here. But I'm very hungry right now, so I'm just getting done with it ASAP. Okay, my soya chunks are little burned. मैं gas कम करना भूल गई थी. But anyways, ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है. I'll add some salt, some black pepper, and with some water, I will blend this, and our dressing will be ready. My soya chunks are done, all mixed up. This is what my salad looks like. I already did the taste test, but my camera on करना भूल गई थी. So I'll do another taste test for you guys. Cheers. I don't really like the soya chunks का texture उतना ज़्यादा, but in the salad it is adding a nice texture. The dressing although is very, very good. Like I did not expect it to be this good. All in all, the flavors are very well balanced together and it is a very filling salad. ऐसा healthy खाना हो ना, trust me, it is not difficult to be on a healthy diet. That tasted good in the beginning, but वो पूरा नहीं खाया गया था. Over the time, I did not like its taste, and I literally had to just swallow it. That I didn't waste it. So I would say it was a recipe. Like initially, वो जो एकदम से flavor cake आता है ना, that is really nice. But then I don't know, I'm not able to explain what it really was, but it just didn't, I was just not able to swallow it. That's the best I can explain. So I think just skip on that one. Now we're moving on to our second last recipe, and this one has over 1.6 million views.
Chop your favorite veggies. I'm using some purple cabbage, lettuce, cucumber, onion, some carrots, basil leaves, and corn. Dressing is steamed cauliflower, tofu, garlic, salt, and pepper, and that's it. Ready in just 10 minutes.
So let's chop the veggies first. We need basil, carrot, onion, cucumber, and some lettuce. So I'm just gonna cut my lettuce roughly. आज मैं iceberg lettuce use नहीं कर रही. I'm using the regular leafy lettuce. I really love how my hair and makeup turned out today. I just hope this onion doesn't make me cry, and then I'll bleed my mascara off. So I have to be careful about that. Oh my god. I'm very bad at chopping onions. Like मुझसे होता ही नहीं है evenly. बाकी सारी veggies तो still I'm able to cut manually. Onions के लिए तो usually I use chopper. But अभी मैं एक ही onion है तो I'll just cut it off with my hands. I know that the chopping is not at all even. But अभी I'm getting late for my shoot. Anyways ये uneven chopping से taste में तो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So I'm just gonna roll with whatever we have here. So in the recipe, she also used purple cabbage, yeah, red cabbage. Some to colored cabbage she used. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna go with lettuce. So the chopping bit is all done. So we have a mixer का jar here. So इसके लिए सबसे पहले I need steamed cauliflower. So मैंने already cauliflower steam कर लिया था. In goes the cauliflower. We need paneer. इस recipe में ना उन्होंने quantities mention नहीं की थी, so I'm just eyeballing and I'm putting थोड़ा सा paneer. This one would be about 20 to 30 grams. Okay, we need some garlic, so I'm putting in 4 cloves. Then we need a pinch of salt, with 4 pinches of salt, and some black pepper. Coffee के डब्बे में we have black pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit of it. I'm gonna blend this. Okay, so my dressing is ready. I'm gonna give it a taste test. Yeah, this one tastes really nice, like really nice. Yeah, very yummy. This dressing is giving me the Austin Pizzas fettuccine wala sauce wala taste aa raha hai isme thoda thoda. So, and that is one of my favorites. So I'm very excited to try this salad out. I just hope it turns out well. So sabse pehle in goes some lettuce, onion, cucumber, and basil, and some carrots. I have some corn, and I'm just gonna scoop out the dressing with my hands ताकि इसमें कुछ waste ना हो जाए. Now we're gonna mix this one. I think आज मेरा salad ज़्यादा हो गया है, dressing कम हो गई है, which is very unlikely क्योंकि usually मेरी dressing ज़्यादा हो जाती है, salad कम हो जाता है. This one looks really good. So this is what my salad looks like, all mixed up. Let me have a taste test. There's some weird taste, and I am guessing it is because I burnt my corns. मेरे corn ना ऐसे हो गए एक साइड से. Yeah, वही burnt corns की वजह से थोड़ा सा वो burnt taste आ रहा है. Otherwise, it is really tasty. Like the dressing went in so well with this salad. बस थोड़ा सा dressing कम हो गई. I would have wanted some more dressing so that it was more flavorful. And also I prefer the iceberg lettuce over this one. So अगर मैंने वो डाला होता तो इसमें एक वो crunch भी आ जाता. But other than that, this one tastes really good. But one thing I've realized is a salad is only good अगर वो खाने पूरा खत्म करने तक का भी आपको tasty ही लग रहा है. So I'm just gonna finish this and then give my reviews. Okay, so I'm back and the sun has set, so इसीलिए lighting थोड़ा सा आपको कम लग रही होगी. So the previous salad was really good. Like उसकी dressing बहुत ही yummy थी. बस एक ही चीज़ जो थोड़ी सी off हो गई थी was that मेरे जो onion थे वो थोड़े से मिर्ची हो रही थी उनमें. So वो थोड़ा सा spicy लग रहा था. And I don't like वैसे वाले onions. But other than that, the recipe was really good. This one was one of my favorite salad. Like I would say it was amongst the top 3. अब मैंने decide नहीं किया है, वो ranking हम video के end में देंगे, which has over 1.5 million views.
Welcome to day 9 of my awesome salad series, where my only mission is to make you fall in love with these super nutritious and quick salad bowls. This crunchy bowl with caramelized onion dressing is one of my latest inventions, and I'm so proud of it.
So इसकी भी मैं prep almost कर चुकी हूँ. अभी मैं यहाँ पे अपने onions को caramelize करने के लिए रख दूंगी. And while my onions are caramelizing, मैं dressing prepare करूंगी. सबसे पहले we need some hunker. इसकी मैं portion बहुत ही कम बनाने वाली हूँ because I'm really not hungry right now. Now we need some paneer. मैं इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे fingers से mash करके डालूंगी. Now for the spices, we have oregano. I really like oregano, so a lot of it. We need some chili flakes. So we have some salt, honey. I don't really like sweet, तो मैंने हनी कम ही रखा है. कैरमलाइज्ड अनियंस को मैं पीसना नहीं है साथ में, सो हम इसको ग्राइंड कर लेंगे. नाउ फॉर द वेजीज, I'm very tired to chop the lettuce any other way, so I'm just gonna chop it with some scissors. Now we need some cherry tomatoes. These are so cute. इसमें बीच से half कर रही हूँ इनको. I'm not chopping them ज़्यादा छोटा. Then we need some corn. Now मेरे corn थोड़े से जल गए हैं, तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं add कर रही because it is having that burnt वाला flavor. अभी मैंने caramelize कर लिया onion, जो कि caramelize से ज़्यादा मुझे burnt लग रहा है. मैं वो भी add कर दूंगी. Now the dressing. This dressing is also very creamy. ठीक है, बहुत ही rich लग रही है. I haven't tasted the dressing yet, so let me just give it a taste test. One of my least favorite ones. Probably because of the honey. I really don't like sweet and savory mixed, because savory है तो फिर मुझे उसमें sweetness zero चाहिए होती है. But anyways, it is what it is. I'm just gonna mix it. Thankfully मैंने इसकी servings बहुत कम रखी है. This is my salad ready, and this is what it looks like. Let's give it a taste test. So it will be a big bite. Cheers. The texture, the crunch from the bread is so good. The veggies and everything is going so well together, but I hate the honey bit. अगर ये honey नहीं डाला होता ना, this would have been one of my favorites. But because of the honey, it is going at the last position. If you have my taste palette, you'll not like it. एक तो caramelized onion से भी वो हल्की सी sweetness add हो जाती है. That was enough for this. इससे ज़्यादा ये honey की ज़रूरत नहीं थी इसमें. So skip the honey if you want to try this one out. But yes, these were all the 5 salads that I wanted to try out in today's video. अगर मैं rank करूँ, I will say the first one for me would be the soya chunks. The second one would be the one that we made before this, जिसमें हमने cauliflower use किया था dressing के लिए. The third one would be the first recipe that we tried, the curd and the veggies. वो बहुत ही fresh salad, that is a no-brainer. You cannot hate that salad. It is so fresh and light. The second last would be the Loki one, because I didn't like it much. And then the last one would be this. Give these a try. मैं नीचे link कर दूंगी सारी videos की जो भी मैंने refer करी थी. And I hope आप लोगों को ये cooking video पसंद आई हो. If so, नीचे comment करके मुझे ज़रूर बताना. What other videos would you want me to make? And yeah, that is it for today's video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. I shall see you super soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.